Hi everyone, this is Miss Neiman. The purpose of my video today is to show you how to access, edit, and submit your real-world project assignments on Schoology. So here I am on Miss Alstrop's Schoology page. I'm going to go ahead and go into the Real World Project folder, and for this purpose, you can see she's got all the assignments here, but for this, I'm going to do the project warm-up. So I just click there, and here you can see there's the assignment description and when it's due, and then I'm going to click on My Document. When you do that, what happens is the program is going to give you your own copy of the document. So instead of going in and doing everything right in here, why don't you try instead to press the edit button, and now you can use Microsoft Word to do your project. So I must go in here and I'm going to edit this, maybe to make it a little bit easier for her to see what I am writing. I'm going to change the font color. And so what is the real project about? I know that it is a big project where we look at life beyond high school. All right, so let's say I'm working and all of a sudden I'm like, I don't want to work on this anymore. I'm going to come back later. So you can see up here it's saying saving, and now it says saved. So I can actually just close it out and it'll bring me back here. And I can come back and edit it anytime I'd like to. So let's say I want to go back in and edit. I just go back in and edit it. And maybe I'm going to, what will I do to make sure I do my best? I am not going to procrastinate. Hopefully I spelled that right. And go, oops, I didn't. Go to the help sessions. Oops. All right, and let me fix my procrastinate. Can I blame that I don't have my glasses on? All right, some careers. Well, I think a teacher, a nurse, or a chef. All right, so now let's say I'm all finished. Great. I'm gonna now, so I'll close it. It is saving. Now it's saved. I'm gonna close it. And now what I'll do is, now that I know that I'm finished, I'm gonna submit the assignment. And it says, are you sure you want to submit? Yes, I'm sure. I click submit, and now Miss Alstrop knows I'm done, and it's all been handed in. Now, for some reason, if you go, oh my God, I totally forgot something, you can always go to unsubmit, and you can come back here to edit it. All right, so steps are, just real quick, if I step back, out, maybe, but it's being a little slow. I go into this real world project. I find the assignment I'm working on. Let's say now I want to start assignment 1. I click on My Document, and then I can go to Edit here. And then when I'm all finished, I click Submit. All right, I hope that helps, and good luck with the project.